Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our Stage Series reverse light kit on this 2023 Chevy Colorado Trail Boss. If you're installing our SSC1 or SSC2 kit like us, you'll be using the dual output harness without the external driver. If you're installing a dual C1R kit to have the additional fourth brake light and optional safety strobe feature, you'll be using the dual output harness with the external driver. To begin, we'll move underneath the passenger side and locate the taillight connector above the exhaust pipe. Disconnect the connector by pulling the red locking tab towards the center of the vehicle. Then, install the provided harness in line with your factory connectors, making sure to push the locking tab back into the lock position. Next, route the rest of our harness up and over the frame and spare tire to the driver's side. If you're installing the C1Rs, you will need to also connect the second taillight connector in line, just like the passenger side. Now we can assemble our pods to our brackets using a 5/32 Allen and a 3/8" wrench. First, slide the SSC2 U bracket over our pod, running the 5/32 bolt through the back, securing it hand tight with the supplied locking nut. Next, we'll feed the carriage bolt through the U-bracket and reverse bracket's oval hole, securing it hand tight with the washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat these steps for our second pod, mirroring the first pod's orientation. Moving underneath the bumper, we'll need to remove two T40 Torx bolts on both sides, followed by reusing them to secure our reverse brackets to the vehicle. Now we can plug in our pods before making our final aiming adjustments. Rotate your pod left and right, securing it with a 13mm wrench. Then rotate your pod up and down, securing it in place with a 5/32 Allen and 3/8" wrench. Next, zip tie any loose wiring, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. As you can see, with our Stage Series reverse light kit installed, not only will you get an additional red running light, but you'll also get a high-power reverse light with OEM function thanks to the plug-and-play harness. If you're looking to pick up a reverse light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.